a new video. Today basically we will be doing something a bit different. We will be talking about cryptocurrencies and the current state of cryptocurrencies. So for that, we basically just have to start on the S&P 500, as many people still think that S&P 500, Nasdaq, etc., is not correlated with the Bitcoin, and stuff like that. And we can completely debunk that, as basically Bitcoin is highly correlated with the S&P 500 or Nasdaq, etc. But the only difference is as that Bitcoin, instead of S&P 500, Nasdaq, etc., has a higher beta. And what does that mean? Is let's say if S&P 500 jumps 5%, Bitcoin can jump 10-15%. So it's a bit more volatile to either direction, upside and downside. We can see this year the S&P 500 dropped around 25%. We are now sitting at a basing zone here, which could be a monthly zone here, where price has already shown some reaction. But if you look, we have some levels sitting lower. Okay, so for now you just have to wait it out and see which levels should be hit. But if the S&P 500 hits around 2000, that's a global problem. All right, so for now we could be seeing some potential upside here on S&P 500, which means we could be seeing some relief type of rally on the Bitcoin and other altcoins. On the weekly, we can still see prices reacting to a weekly zone. All right, but let's say if we continue this bearish trend. Before continuing with the video, if you are interested about learning our full strategies, scalping and swing trading, then we have a special offer for you guys. So scroll down in the description and click the link, and if you are interested, you can join our full service for a small monthly fee. All right, so you will learn all these things and eventually get the same results as our students. Okay, so everything is included: scalping strategy course, swing trading course, daily analysis and trade setups, weekly analysis, trading psychology videos, and 24/7 support. So if you are interested in this service, click the link below and see you on the other side. We have seen basically price has broken market structure more and more to the downside here, right? So the next level where we could expect it to move to would be this zone right here, and we will see closely where and how price reacts to this range, as we could be seeing continuous pullback to the downside here. And if this level gets broken, we could be seeing this to continue to the upside, okay, and have a bit more of a relief rally till this point right here. All right, so we could be seeing very interesting price action here on S&P 500, and as well following Bitcoin as well. So we have some clear levels where we can expect some type of price action, and we will keep the close eye on it and basically wait and see how price reacts at these ranges. So understanding S&P 500, etc., now you basically understand the Bitcoin chart as well a bit more better. All right, so you will have a better understanding, and this is what we're at right now. Okay, so we will start on the monthly time frame here on Bitcoin. We have seen clearly there was a big washout here on cryptos, right, especially on Bitcoin. Many people are saying the bottom is in. We are already 75% drawdown, which is already good to be potentially looking to DCA in. But the thing is, we have a lot of time on our hands. All right, so we can eventually start DCA slowly, and if you're looking for the long term, all right, but for the short term, eventually there could be still more downside. One thing that people forget, okay, they say, okay, that's 75% drawdown, all right. So if it follows the last cycle, we should be seeing maximum 10% more, okay. So 10% calculated from the top, all right. But if we calculate that same 10% down, all right, so basically to 85%, all right, from current price, this is not 10%, okay, this is around 50%. So price can still drop if you buy in at these levels for 50%, all right. If we basically analyze it and compare it to previous cycles, so we have to be careful here and not build too big of positions, and basically just wait it out, all right. Basically DCA in a bit more, okay, slowly, and not really look too much at many small caps, because many small caps will die down, and we have to really wait till which ones proves ourselves that we basically they are surviving, all right. So here we can see a break of structure on the monthly. A level that we want to look for, especially this range right here, okay. So we have this level that we could be seeing some upside to, all right. This would be a pretty big relief rally, but I wouldn't cancel it out as well, okay. So this could be still be possible eventually till this level. So on the monthly, keep an eye out for this. We are clearly bearish, but we have to see till when we will be bearish. On the weekly, all right, which is the most important time frame, we can see basically we have this level right here. If in case Bitcoin drops 85%, we can start to look for positions here, for bigger positions here at this level, because if it should continue to drop till then we have bigger problems on our hands, all right. But right now we are reacting here to this level, and we could be seeing some further upside as well, okay. So it depends how this level holds, but small positions could be initiated at this point. Levels where we could retrace to based on the weekly, this would be same as on the monthly, okay. This would be a level that we could be seeing Bitcoin retrace to basically continue its downtrend, and this would be also a high probability area for potential shorts. So keep an eye out for this level, okay, for potential shorts if you want to short Bitcoin, and this level right here for potential buy-ins, all right. So we could still see some further downside here. And on the daily, we can see a bit clearer, okay, the continuous break of structure to the downside. So with this little upside right here, we can't really be happy yet, okay. We are not out of the woods, but we'll see how it will continue in the next few days. What's interesting and what I want to show you guys as well is a few altcoins that are interesting, okay. So first one is AVAX. We could be seeing AVAX eventually come into the $10 region, $9 region. This would be a great buy-in, all right. So if Bitcoin should be seeing more downside, we could be seeing AVAX around these levels. Same thing with Solana, okay. We could be seeing Solana around $20, okay, which would be a pretty good trade till at least around 137. All right, so if you see a relief rally on Bitcoin, we could be seeing prices eventually reach up into these levels, okay. And another one that I want to show you guys is this one, Algorand, okay. So Algorand could also be a nice buy-in and a nice trade if you're looking at the weekly charts, if you should see a further relief rally on Bitcoin. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and see you guys